Hi, my name is Acevedo, and this is my project for the BDC Design Challenge. Our project is basically bourgeois bamboo, and the whole purpose of this is to be able to use renewable bamboo for scaffolding. The reason why we chose to do this is because, well, to be honest, melting steel and forging it, every single part of that process is honestly terrible for the environment and creates a bunch of greenhouse gases. So the purpose of our project is to be able to make, well, scaffolding out of bamboo. The reason why, as you can see, this is just normal sticks, but this is supposed to be bamboo. And yeah, the reason why we are doing this, it's because there's a bunch of places in the world that just simply choose not to use any type of scaffolding or netting when doing building demolitions. This leads to a bunch of harsh chemicals like asbestos to go up in the air and damage both the environment and people. So we want to make scaffolding cheaper and more effective at the same time. Because I'm not going to give you a product that's cheaper, but it's safe. So the reason why we chose